Hello student. Now we are going to discuss about geography paper first, that is 101 physical geography lithosphere. Now we have to study about theory of plate tectonics. The rigid lithospheric slabs or rigid and solid crustal layer are tectonically called plates. Tectonic, the Greek word tecton is translation of tectonic. It means building or construction. This process includes upwelling of magma, movement of plates, subduction, crust, fold, fault, fractures, earthquakes, volcanic activities, etc. In other words, the whole process of plate motion is referred to as plate tectonic. तर टेक्टॉनिक या शब्दाचा अर्थ आहे बिल्डिंग ऑर कन्स्ट्रक्शन. दिस प्रोसेस इन्क्लूड्स अपवेलिंग ऑफ मॅग्मा, म्हणजे मॅग्मा वर येणे, या प्रक्रियेमध्ये मॅग्मा वर येणे, मुवमेंट ऑफ प्लेट्स, भूपृष्ठाची हालचाल होणे, सबडक्शन क्रस्ट, फोल्ड, भूपृष्ठाला घेड्या पडणे, फॉल्ट, प्रस्तरभंग होणे, भूकंप होणे, ज्वालामुखी क्रिया होणे इत्यादी या प्रक्रियेत मोडतात. प्लेट मीन्स अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ्स लिथोस्फियर विच हॅज साइज अँड विड्थ. लिथोस्फियर इज ए मोझाईक ऑफ प्लेट्स. लिथोस्फियर म्हणजे मृदावरण हे मोझाईक ऑफ प्लेट्सचा एक ब्लॉक आहे. द प्लेट्स आर कॉन्टिनेंटल अँड ओशियानिक. द प्लेट्स आर इन मोशन, त्या मोशनमध्ये आहेत. द कॉन्टिनेंट्स आर जस्ट मुव्हिंग प्लेट्स. खंड हे मुव्हिंग प्लेट्स आहेत. द प्लेट्स आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंटल और ओशियानिक लिथोस्फेरिक मटेरियल और ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ, and float above the asthenosphere. The lithosphere is made up of some major plates and few minor plates. Six major plates are there, and these plates are recognized: Eurasian plate, Indian Australian plate, American plate, Pacific plate, African plate, and Antarctic plate. The boundaries of these plates are found along volcanic and earthquake belts. ज्या ठिकाणी ज्वालामुखी क्रिया आणि भूकंप होतात त्या ठिकाणी यांच्या बाउंड्रीज आढळतात. मिड ओशियानिक रीज या ठिकाणी, ओशियानिक डिप्स, चेन्स ऑफ आयलँड्स and mountain chains. These plates are slowly moving with the rate of 1 to 10 centimeter per year. This movement is due to upwelling of material from the asthenosphere along the mid-oceanic ridge. The movement of material is horizontal and descends into the asthenosphere near the oceanic trench. Then plate boundaries. There are three types of plate boundaries have been identified. Tectonically, plate boundaries are most important because all tectonic activities take place along the margins of the plates. For the example, mountain building, faulting, volcanicity, and seismic activities, etc. There are three types of plate boundaries have been identified, and these are constructive plate boundaries, destructive plate boundaries, and conservative plate boundaries. Constructive plate boundaries, these are also called as divergent plate margins. Constructive plate margins represent zone of divergence where there is a continuous upwelling of a molten material and new oceanic crust is continuously formed. In fact, oceanic plates split apart along the mid-oceanic ridges and move in opposite directions. Then destructive plate boundaries. These are also called as convergent plate margins because two plates move towards each other in the collision. The plate having a relatively lighter material slips down, the other plate having relatively denser material is subducted and thrust into the upper mantle. Thus, the part of the crust is destroyed. There is a constant loss of material through this process. So, the boundaries are called as destructive plate boundaries. Then, conservative plate boundaries. These are the margins where two plates simply slip past each other without any collision along the transform faults, and thus crust is neither created nor destroyed. Collision between continental plates results the formation of fold mountain chain. For the example, the Alpine Himalayan belt. Criticism. Some scientists are of the view that plate motion is caused due to high gravity force because of creation of additional matter on either side of the mid-oceanic ridges. This high gravity force causes lateral movement of plates in opposite direction from the ridge crest. According to another view, the instruction of magma in the mid-oceanic ridges from below causes separation of oceanic plates from ridge crests and their displacement in opposite direction. It may be included that this is the weak point in the theory of plate tectonic. Then the interior of the earth, structure and composition. To study the interior of the earth is a difficult work to the man because he is unable to go deep down into the earth's interior. पृथ्वीचे अंतरंग. पृथ्वीच्या अंतरंगाचा अभ्यास करणे मानवासाठी एक डिफिकल्ट टास्क आहे, कठीण काम आहे. बिकॉज मॅन is unable to go deep down into the earth's interior. By the evidences of volcanoes and earthquakes, man can study the interior of the earth. भूकंप आणि ज्वालामुखी प्रक्रियांच्या आधारे मानव इंटिरियर ऑफ द अर्थ, पृथ्वीच्या अंतरंगाचा अभ्यास करू शकतो. The rate of increase of temperature with depth. There is no direct way of determining the temperature distribution inside the earth, but and instructed guesses may be ventured. It is a well-known fact that temperature rises in the lower levels of deep mines. This temperature increases by 1 degree centigrade with a depth of 32 meters. दर 32 मीटर खोलीला तापमान साधारणतः 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेडने वाढते. The average thermal gradient in the outermost layer of the earth is about 12 degrees centigrade to 15 degrees centigrade per kilometer of depth. The hot magma that comes to the surface of the earth and hot water springs also give proof that the temperature of the earth increases with increasing depth. उष्ण पाण्याचे झरे, त्यानंतर हॉट मॅग्मा, यावरून असं लक्षात येते की पृथ्वीच्या अंतरंगात तापमान वाढत जाते. लाईक द टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर इन्क्रीजेस विथ द डेप्थ. खोलीनुसार प्रेशर वाढत जातो. अँड द अर्थ्स इंटिरियर इज अंडर एनॉर्मस प्रेशर. Due to the high temperature in the interior of the earth, the rocks may turn into liquid state, but the enormous pressure hinders म्हणजे थांबविणे this process. Due to enormous pressure, the liquid material has acquired the properties of a solid. This leads to believe that at the depth of 2,900 kilometers, the earth behaves as solid. Density of the earth. The average density of the whole earth is about 5.5 grams per cubic centimeter. But the average density of surface rock is only 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter. The density of core is about 11 grams per cubic centimeter. पृथ्वीच्या गाभ्याची घनता जवळजवळ 11 grams per cubic centimeter आहे. It means that the density of the rock increases towards the core of the earth with the increasing depth. The density of various parts of the earth, that is average density of the earth is 5.5 grams per cubic centimeter. The average density of the Earth's surface is 2.6 to 3.3 grams per cubic centimeter, and the average density of the core is 11 grams per cubic centimeter. Then the behavior of earthquake waves, भूकंप लहरीचं वर्तन. By the observation and study of the earthquake waves, man has obtained evidences about the composition and structure of the interior of the earth. भूकंप लहरींच्या वर्तनावरून मानवाने पृथ्वीच्या अंतरंगातील रचना आणि कंपोजिशन घटक कशा प्रकारचे असू शकतात याचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. द डिफरंट टाइप्स of tremors and waves generated during the occurrence of an earthquake are called seismic waves. These waves are generally divided into three broad categories. भूकंप लहरी तीन प्रकारात डिवाइड झालेले आहेत. फॉर द एक्झाम्पल, प्रायमरी वेव्स, सेकंडरी वेव्स and surface waves. Primary waves. The primary waves travel with a speed varying from 5 to 14 km per second. These waves can travel through solid and liquid medium, travel with high velocity in the solid medium, and velocity decreases while traveling through liquid medium. Secondary waves. The behavior of secondary waves. These waves can travel only through solid materials and cannot travel through liquid material. These waves travel up to about 2,900 km below the Earth's surface. Then surface waves. These waves travel along the circumference of the Earth's surface. The velocity of these waves is lower than primary and secondary waves. These waves are more destructive than P and S waves, means primary and secondary waves. Then structure of the interior of the earth. There are different schools of thought regarding the interior of the earth. Those who believe that the interior of the earth is solid. Those who believe that the interior of the earth is gaseous, and those who believe that the interior of the earth is liquid. The interior of the earth is not composed of homogeneous material. Its density gradually increases towards the center. The earth consists of a series of concentric layers that differ in density, thickness, and composition. The structure of layers may be like an onion with its cells, one inside another. Different zones of interior of the earth are there. Then composition of interior of the earth. On the basis and changes in the velocity of seismic waves, the earth consists of three layers, and these are crust म्हणजे भूपृष्ठ, mantle म्हणजे प्रावरण, and core म्हणजे गाभा. According to some scientists, there are different layers of interior part of the earth, such as lithosphere, Sial, Sima, and Nipe. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is generally known as the outer zone. मृदावरण याला सर्वसामान्यपणे आउटर झोन असं म्हटलं जातं. इट इज फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ इंटिरियर. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज अर्थ क्रस्ट. याला भूपृष्ठ सुद्धा म्हणतात. द थिकनेस ऑफ लिथोस्फियर इज अनइवन, varying between 22 to 40 kilometers. However, it may extend up to 80 kilometers below the Earth's surface. It has formed the crust, 71% of which is covered by water, and about 29% makes the landmass. The thickness of lithosphere is considerable below the fold mountain ranges. गडीच्या पर्वतरांगांखाली लिथोस्फिअरचा थिकनेस हा जास्त आहे. अँड मच लेस बिलो द ओशियन्स. सागर तळांखाली लिथोस्फिअरचा थिकनेस खूपच कमी आहे. लिथोस्फिअर इज मेनली मेड अप ऑफ सियाल अँड सीमा. Sial, SIAL, Sial. Sial is made up of crystalline rocks. The continental masses are made up of Sial. The rocks in this layer are mainly composed of silica and alumina. Hence, the name Sial after silica Si and alumina Al. Specific gravity of Sial is about 2.7, and it is made up of light rocks like granite. This layer is thick beneath the land masses and nearly absent below the ocean basins. Sima, SIMA, Sima. The surface separating the Sial from the Sima is known as Conrad discontinuity. ज्या ठिकाणी सियाल आणि सीमा सेपरेट होतात त्या विलगतेला कॉन्राडची विलगता, कॉन्राड डिस्कंटिन्युटी असं म्हटलं जातं. Sima lies below Sial. It is mainly made up of heavier rocks like basalt and related rocks. The major constituents of these rocks are silica and magnesium, Si and Ma. Hence the name Sima. Specific gravity of this layer varies between 2.7 to 3 grams per cubic centimeter. Ocean floors are mainly made up of Sima. सागर तळ हे बहुतांशी SIMA, सीमा यापासून तयार झालेले आहेत. This layer extends up to 42 km below the crust, or more than 42. Then Moho, MOHO, Moho. Below the crust lies the second layer, which is known as the mantle. भूपृष्ठानंतर त्या ठिकाणी प्रावरणाला सुरुवात होते. द सरफेस ऑफ डिस्कंटिन्युटी म्हणजे भूपृष्ठ आणि प्रावरण यातली विलगता आहे, याला मोहो डिस्कंटिन्युटी असं म्हटलं जातं. द सरफेस ऑफ डिस्कंटिन्युटी between crust and mantle is known as moho. This name is given after Yugoslav scientist Mohorovic, who discovered it in 1909. The speed of transmission of earthquake waves in the Moho suddenly rises from about 5 to 8 kilometers per second, indicating an increase in रॉक डेन्सिटी. या ठिकाणी भूकंप लहरींचा वेग हा वाढलेला असतो आणि या अनुषंगाने त्या ठिकाणी खडकांची घनता वाढलेली आहे असं निदर्शनास येतं. मॅन्टल प्रावरण. मॅन्टल लाईज बिटवीन द लोअर क्रस्ट अँड कोअर. इट्स अप्पर बाउंड्री is demarked by the Moho discontinuity and the lower boundary between the Gutenberg discontinuity. It extends up to 2,900 km from the Earth's surface. It is composed of denser and compact rocks. The density varies between 3.3 to 5.7. Mantle occupies nearly 83% of the total volume, and mass of the mantle comprises approximately 2/3 of the Earth's mass. Mantle may be divided into 3 zones: from the Moho discontinuity to 200 km, it is outer mantle. Then 200 km to 700 km, it is inner mantle. Then 700 km to 2,900 km, it is lower mantle. Then Gutenberg discontinuity, a boundary surface within the interior of the earth that separates the mantle from the core. म्हणजे प्रावरण आणि कोअर गाभा या ठिकाणी जे बाउंड्री सरफेस सेपरेशन आहे त्याला गटेनबर्ग डिस्कंटिन्युटी असं म्हटलं जातं. दिस नेम इज गिव्हन आफ्टर द सायंटिस्ट गटेनबर्ग who discovered it in 1940. This discontinuity lies at the depth of about 2,889 km from the Earth's surface. In this discontinuity, the behavior of earthquake waves changes suddenly. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी भूकंप लहरींचं वर्तन बदललेलं असतं, एकदम बदललेलं असतं. जसं द वेलॉसिटी ऑफ पी वेव्स डिक्रीजेस, म्हणजे प्रायमरी वेव्स जे आहेत भूकंप लहरी यांची गती कमी झालेली असते. अँड यस वेव्स डिसअपियर्स. ॲज वी नो दॅट द प्रायमरी वेव्स कॅन ट्रॅव्हल through both mediums, solid and liquid. While traveling through liquid medium, the speed means velocity of primary waves decreases. In case of secondary waves, these waves can travel only through solid medium. The velocity of P waves decreases and S waves disappear. Then core or NIFE, NIFE. It is the last layer of an interior part. This layer is also known as barysphere, Kendrauran. It lies between 2,900 km to 6,371 km below the Earth's surface. There are two zones of Nephi, that is outer Nephi and inner Nephi. This layer is mainly made up of nickel, Ni, and iron, ferrous, and hence known as Nephi. Its diameter is roughly 6,436 6,436 kilometer. The specific gravity varies from 5 and 13. Outer core extends from 2,900 km to 5,150 kilometers. Density is about 10. It is in molten state. Inner zone. Inner zone lies between 5,150 km to center. It is solid due to heat and pressure. The estimated temperature is about 2700 degrees centigrade. Average density of this layer is 13.6 gram per cubic centimeter. Next will be continued. Thank you.